Hello guys, this is Dope Tech. Today I'm going to show how to install iOS 14 beta for any iPhone which is supported. So first I will give the link in the description from where you can download the profile. So go to the link and click on download. After that you will get a pop-up. You have to click on download. Then go to the settings. As you can see here, there is this icon called profile downloaded. Now you have to install this profile. Make sure you have backed up your iPhone before doing this and do it at your own risk because it is in beta stage. Click on install, then click on done. Install all, delete all other profiles if you have installed it. If you have installed Uncover Jailbreak, I have done it. So first go to the Uncover, then click on setting, then click on disable all updates. So that's why you can install any update. After that, click on power off. After your device is fully shut down, click on restart. After, press the power button and turn on the device. As you can see, I am using iPhone XR. It is compatible with iPhone X, XS, XS Max and all the above iPhones. Now enter the passcode. After that, go to the setting, then go to the general. After that, go to the software update section. Wait for few seconds. As you can see here, you got the iOS 14 developer beta update. It is 100% working as I have installed the update. So follow full steps for proper installation. You have to be connected to Wi-Fi for installation and download process. After that, click on download and install. Enter the passcode. As you can see here, now the update is downloading. I will skip the part, then I will show you when it's downloaded. As you can see here, now update is downloaded. You have to have more than 50% of battery to install it, or you can plug in the charger to install the update. I will plug the charger. After that, click on install now. It will take few minutes to verify the update. After verifying the update, your device should be started installing the iOS 14 beta. I will fast forward this. Make sure you back up the device before doing any of this stuff because it is in beta stages and anything can happen, and do it at your own risk. After this, your device will restart and start installing the update. As you can see here, I will skip the part. So now the update is installed. As you can see here, swipe up and enter the passcode. As you can see here, the iOS 14 update is installed properly. Click on next. Click on agree. Click on agree. Wait for few seconds. Do subscribe to the channel as and like the video, as it takes a lot of effort to make this video happen. Now click on continue. As you can see here, swipe from bottom and you can see here iOS 14 is installed. As you can see here, the new widget section, it is working properly. I haven't faced any major bugs or any bugs till now. I will update you further. As you can see here, this is the iOS 14 beta update installed. So thanks for watching, guys.